pero wala masyadong tapon. Wala. Oh, orange.
Yeah, somebody throwing away industrial stuff.
Yeah, ayan, puro
That wasn't a dumpster diver. They were
throwing something. Orange. Oh, nahulog pa. Just orange. Let's see. Wala masyadong tinapon. Ayan. Squash. And puro orange yung tinatapon nila. Puro squash. Ang daming squash.
good too.
Yeah.
It's up in the microwave in like 10 minutes. Wow. What's wrong with those? Oh, there's some acorn squash too.
This one. There you go. Okay. Heavy. That's it. Wala masyadong tinapon. Nabulok na to. Nakatakip. Nagtakpan. More squash in here. May onions.
Tomatoes.
Yeah. Hulog na yung ibang kamatis. Beef roast. Bulok ka. Okay. Kamatis. Bulok na yun. Onions. Okay. More squash. Oh, sorry. More kamatis. Okay, that's it. Oh, that's 2 more squash in here and rice. Rice. 2 more squash. Okay, that's it. Hi guys, thanks for watching. Sa mga hindi pa naka-like and subscribe, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So ito yung mga nakuha natin. Of course, mayroon tayong white rice. So ayan, libre yung ating rice. And may nakuha din tayong beef roast. So ayan. Medyo malamig-lamig pa rin ng beef. And puro ano itong nakuha natin. Maraming squash tayo nakuha. So, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8 squash, butternut squash yung nakuha natin. Ayan. Marami. And then, meron ding isang acorn squash. Meron mga peach and orange dito. Lagay ko na lang dito sa isang box. And meron ding cauliflower. Ayan. So, another squash dito. Spaghetti squash. Ayan. Libreng squash yung mga nakuha natin. Ang daming squash. Puro squash. And may nakuha rin tayong mandarins. Mandarins. May tomatoes. Onions. White onions. Ito isa na lang tomatoes. Konti na natira dito. Cherry tomatoes. Ayan. Ito puno pa. So, yan na yung nakuha natin, guys. Zucchini. Another tomatoes. So, yan lang, guys, yung nakuha natin. Kala ko nga wala silang tinapon, pero nakatago pala yung squash. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!